Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you what I have here. It is a large heated dog bed, dog heating pad like that. So this is what it's for here. So it says heating pad, keep your pet warm in cold weather. And I have my cutest little pet right here. And I'm going to show you guys what this little pad looks like for her. So this is it here. I'll show you all what it looks like here. I'm gonna put her down and let her run away. But this is what the pad looks like here. This is a pretty decent size one here. So I keep my apartment cold all the time anyways because I like it cold. But this is it here. It's kind of like a waterproof, plasticky kind of pad. And then it comes with the little settings here where you can plug it in. And then it comes with a little blanket here so I can wrap it in the blanket. So let me see, is it open up here? Here it opens. So I would go and so she doesn't have to sit on the plastic part, but then I can take it off easily if it gets dirty and clean it. So I'll put it in here like this. She is watching me. I don't know why. I guess she must know it's for her. She's totally watching me, right, Penny? Oh, now she ran away. Now she left. I guess scared her off with that cord. Okay, so here we go. We've got it in there. And I can zip it up, and then it just has the little part sticking out of it there. But I can set it here. I can take this out. Or let me see. Actually, that stays in there. So all I have is the cord coming out of it. I can put this on the ground over here for my little girl. And then I would plug it in. I'm going to show you guys here. I'll aim you down so you can see what I'm talking about. So here it is. Actually, it'll just reach right now without me having to undo it. And then it's got the different settings on here now. I can set it for like 120 degrees. And then, where's my Penny? Penny. Good girl. Good girl, Penny. Penny, look. It's a heating pad. Where's the squeaker? There it is. Okay, see? And so here she would be on the pad. You like that? You like that pad? Good girl. Good girl, Penny. See? So she could just lay on that and keep herself warm all winter long and have her own little play place, which is nice. So she can have her space and not invade mine all the time. Right, Penny? Good girl. So there she is, and she loves her toys. So very cool. Thumbs up. Right, girl? Good girl.